Mm, it's very tasty. Good morning, everyone, and I welcome you from Kohima. Right now, I'm in Kohima, and I'm going to have breakfast right now. And you are going to see what I'm going to have. I'll show you. Just wait for a little while. You would be shocked to see what I'm going to have because it's very difficult to find in Northeast India. Still, I'm going to have that. I'll show you. So, guys, my breakfast is here, and I'm going to show you. I made you wait, no? I'll show you now. Can you see? See, that is my breakfast. I'll show you now. So finally I'm going to have my favorite masala dosa. You can see this masala dosa, chutney, or you can call it sauce. This is, I think, coconut chutney, and here is sambar. I'm going to have now. Finally I'm going to have my dosa. I'll show you how tasty it is. Chutney, I'll keep it here, and I'll have with my hands. My first bite now. It's going to be very tasty. I love masala dosa. Mm. It's very tasty. I love dosa. I don't prefer idli that much. I don't like idli, but I love masala dosas. It's amazing. The sambar. This also tastes nice. It's very very tasty. Can you believe I'm in Nagaland and I'm having dosa? Anything can happen in this world. Oh, very tasty. Even curry is very nice. This is tasty too. Mm-hmm. Nice. They have cooked really well everything. Mm-hmm. Fantastic. I'll see you after some time. So guys, finally I'm done with my breakfast, and it's too much. I could not finish everything, but I had my dosa. It was amazing. And guess what? In Nagaland, I had my breakfast in pure vegetarian restaurant. So guys, if you think that in Nagaland you cannot find any vegetarian restaurants, then you are absolutely wrong. Come to Kohima and you will find So don't think like that. You will find veg restaurant also and non-veg restaurant also, and you will get your veg food also. I'm a pure vegetarian, so see, I just had my dosas. So happy. So this is the place where I had my breakfast, and then I'll this is the
No,
this
no, I'm
place
not. I'm just staff.
receptionist.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I'll start again. And he is the receptionist of this place, of this restaurant. And want to say like what type of foods you have available over here?
This restaurant is actually pure veg restaurant.
Uh-huh.
I think what I've heard is this was the only pure veg restaurant here in Kohima.
Okay.
So you'll get like any kind of vegetarian food, even South Indian food like dosa.
Yeah. Oh, I had just now. So guys, this is the only pure vegetarian restaurant in Kohima. So whenever you are Kohima and you want to have something pure vegetarian, you should definitely come to this restaurant. I'll put the link, all the details, everything in my video description. So you should check it out. Thank you so much. Guys, you know that amazing dosa was prepared by him. He is the head cook of this restaurant. Nice to meet you.
क्या हम लोग का ना
हम्म।
अगर मैं नागालैंड में तो ये सब अवेक तो नहीं है तो ना इसलिए हम लोग को तो बाहर का आदमी है तो हम लोग
हाँ।
इसलिए मीट का तो आज नहीं है तो हम लोग खाली वेज का है तो कोहिमा तो खाली तो ये साउथ इंडियन का ना
हाँ।
क्या खाली हम लोग का इधर में हम लोग को बाहर का आदमी कितना आने से ना इधर आने से आप लोग मिल जाए
Veg.
हाँ
So guys, anything if you want to eat related to vegetarian, you will get everything. So don't worry about your preference. You'll find everything here.
ओके थैंक यू बाय बाय
Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. So finally it's time to leave this restaurant. Bye. Thank you. And now I'm going to some another location.
थैंक यू मैम
Thanks.
आप
Bye.
लोग आते रहे
Bye. Thank you. And guys, this is the view of Kohima from top. See how it looks. You can see that highway road, that small houses. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful from top. This place you will find on top of the restaurant, Yatsu's veg restaurant. So don't forget to come here whenever you are in Kohima. See how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, here is so much of traffic. Guys, I am roaming in Kohima and I am going to show you amazing Kohima. It's very crowded today because it's a walking day. Look at the view, guys. Here you will get to see all the government houses. Yeah, secretariat houses and all the government offices you will get to see in this area. And the amazing location of Kohima. Yes, all the government offices are best here. Look at the views. It looks so beautiful from top. Amazing. Oh, and where I'm standing, this building is of transport office of Nagaland. So nice. See guys, right now I'm near Nagaland University, and see, it looks so beautiful from here. Look at the view. Top thing. I think that is under Nagaland University. Yes, that one.
हाई कोर्ट है ना क्या वो
That is High Court. Yeah, that top. That one is.
नागालैंड हाई कोर्ट
Ah, that's. I'm so sorry, guys. That one is Nagaland High Court.
बच्चा लोग
Oh, yeah. Hmm. Here we are here. This place is so beautiful. It's so peaceful, and no one is here apart from us. It's amazing. Excuse me. Hi. Actually, hi. Which places we can explore over here?
For exploration,
Yeah.
you can go this side as well.
What I can see there?
Pardon?
What I can see there?
University, there's the Nagaland University there.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay, so I have to go over there to see the Nagaland universities, and you guys are shy. It's okay, no?
it's okay. It's okay.
Then? You guys are not scared of me, right?
Yeah, we're not
No,
scared of you.
she's hiding. Nagaland University and
Yeah, I think it's just Nagaland University.
only
yeah.
Nagaland University. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Pele.
Pele.
Yes.
And yours? Achim. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Same here.
Have a nice day.
Okay, you
Thank you. So guys, we'll be going to see only Nagaland University from here, and I'll show you. So right now we are inside the Nagaland University, guys. Wow. The campus is so big. Wow, and it's so peaceful. So nice. Yes, students, really they can concentrate on their studies because it's very peaceful. I think that is the hostel. You can see behind me. It's really nice. Uh-huh. Really nice. Film you all? You guys don't mind, no? It's fine. So, see this guys. You guys are so shy. It's okay.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay. Nice to meet you all, by the way.
Nice to meet you too.
So, you guys are like for admission?
No, we're MPhil scholars.
MPhil? Oh my god, you guys are studying too much. So, after that, what are your plans after MPhil?
Maybe take some break for some time.
Yes. You know, studying is not everything. For earning your bread and butter, no, you need to use your brain. That is only going to work. Okay, then I'll leave. It was nice meeting you all. Thank you. I'll say hi to him.
Nice day.
Thank you, you too. And this is the end of this campus. It's so big. And right now I'm in Kohima village. And look at the view. It looks so amazing from here. And here's my friend, he's from Kohima village. He's showing me this village.
Yes.
Nice to meet
Hi.
you. See how beautiful it looks. Right now I'm walking inside the higher secondary school of Kohima village.
KD Baptist
Yes.
Higher Secondary School.
I'll tell you the name from outside.
The school is here and the church is just above us.
Out. See view inside this school. KD Baptist Higher Secondary School. See guys, this is squash. Okay, even they have different kinds of squash.
Our forefather was Quinyo.
We know.
Yeah.
Oh,
When he searched for the land for this Kohima village, no? He lies here.
Okay.
This stone. This is the battle.
Battle Heaven Fort over here, na? This is the what stone is called? Battle stone, no?
Yeah, bed stone. He lies here.
Oh, this is the bed stone if you can see. And this is the place where
King of Kohima village from there, no?
huh.
He lies
Oh,
here. When he was searching for the land, no?
oh. So this is the place where Kohima village founder used to lie over here when he was discovering or searching for this village.
Every 3 years we used to conduct a game, no? Light and small Olympic,
Huh.
mini Olympic, no? We used to conduct here
Huh.
with torch.
Oh, to yum, like mashal kind of thing, no? Yeah. There you can see torch. There, yeah. Like we use, for Olympic. So nice.
Sitting place.
Uh-huh.
Where we used to conduct alcohol, we used to conduct here, no?
Huh.
We used to sit here outside.
Okay, resting area like.
We used to conduct outside, no?
Uh-huh. And this is the resting area of this village. Hi, they're shy. This kind of thing is you guys have in every village.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Resting house. We should have in all over India. This kind of places. And it's so nice people gather here of all age group. And then they sit and then they have their talk whatever they want. It's so nice.
We gather outside and discuss on
Oh.
how the any matters.
So guys, this place is their meeting area where they gather and discuss about any matter. So nice. They have everything so organized and planned. We all should, learn from Nagaland. People are so friendly, so peaceful, and they are so helpful. I think we should take all these qualities from them. Now we are going towards some amazing viewpoint and I'll show you. I did not even ask your name.
I'm Cole Dison.
Cole Dishon.
Yeah, Dison.
Okay. So guys, you heard his name, no? So
You can call me Dison, or my official name is Tejazazilu.
that is Dishon is simple. That is so difficult.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going to show you sunflower in Nagaland. Look at the sunflower. Look at the view, guys. Those all are houses. Small, you can see, no, white color. It looks so beautiful from here.
I want to say something about Snowda. I'm really thankful, and please do visit us next time also, and please do like her channel and subscribe, please. Thank you.
It's time to leave Kohima now, and I'll see you in the next video. But I would like to say thank you to both of you for helping me so much, and thank you so much for everything. It was really great to be here, and my stay was really very nice over here.
Okay, sure, you're always welcome.